So what is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activity, such as trash or runoff produced by factories. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water, and land. Many things that are useful to people produce pollution. Cars fuel pollutants from their exhaust pipes. Burning coal to create electricity pollutes the air. Pollution is a global problem. Although urban areas are usually more polluted than the countryside, pollution can spread to remote places where no people live. When you think of environmental pollution, it typically comes in 7 different types. These include air, water, land, radioactive, thermal, light, and sound pollution. Air pollution is caused by solid and liquid particles and certain gases that are suspended in the air. These particles and gases can come from car and truck exhaust, factories, dust, pollen, mold spores, balconies, and wildfires. The solid and liquid particles suspended in our air are called aerosols. What else causes air pollution? Certain gases in the atmosphere can cause air pollution. For example, in cities, a gas called ozone is a major cause of air pollution. Ozone is also a greenhouse gas that can be both good and bad for our environment. It all depends where it is in Earth's atmosphere. Ozone high up in our atmosphere is a good thing. It helps block harmful energy from the sun called radiation. But when ozone is closer to the ground, it can be really bad for our health. Ground level ozone is created when sunlight reacts with certain chemicals that come from sources of burning fossil fuels such as factories or car exhaust. When particles in the air combine with ozone, they create smoke. Smoke is a type of air pollution that looks like smoky fog and makes it difficult to see. Exhaust from factories and industry also a part of air pollution causes. Manufacturing industries release a large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, organic compounds, and chemicals into the air, thereby depleting the quality of air. Manufacturing industry can be found at every corner of the earth, and there is no area that has not been affected by it. Petroleum refineries also release hydrocarbons and various other chemicals that pollute the air and also cause land pollution.
So, what is the meaning of air pollution?
According to World Health Organization or WHO has defined air pollution is contamination of the indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical or biological agent that modify the natural characteristics of the atmosphere. Air pollution also consists of chemicals or particles in the air that can harm the health of humans, animals, and plants. Air pollution also can damage the buildings. All those sources can lead to the negative effect on humans and environment. People experience a wide range of health effects from being exposed to the air pollution. Effects can be broken down into short-term effects and long-term effects. For short-term effects, which are temporary, include illnesses such as pneumonia and bronchitis. It also includes discomfort such as irritation to the nose, throat, eyes, or skin. Air pollution can also cause headaches, dizziness, and nausea. Bad smells from factories, garbage, or sewer system are considered as air pollution too. These odors are less serious but still unpleasant. For long-term effects of air pollution can last 4 years or for entire lifetime. They can even lead to a person death. Long-term health from air pollution include heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory diseases. Air pollution can also cause long-term damage to pupil, nerve, brain, kidneys, liver, and other organs. Some scientists suspect air pollution can cause birth defect. Nearly 2.5 million people die worldwide each year from the effect of outdoor or indoor air pollution. Like people, animals and plant entire ecosystem can suffer effect from the air pollution. Haze, like smoke, is a visible type of air pollution that obscures shapes and colors. Hazy air pollution can even muffle sounds. Air pollution particles eventually fall back to the earth. Air pollution can directly contaminate the surface of bodies of water and soil. This can kill crops or reduce their yield. It can kill young trees and other plants. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide particles in the air can create acid rain when they mix with water and oxygen in the atmosphere. These air pollutants come mostly from coal-fired power plants and motor vehicles. When acid rain falls to the earth, it damages plants by changing soil composition, degrades water quality in rivers, lakes, and streams, damages crops, and can cause buildings and monuments to decay. Global warming is an environmental phenomenon caused by natural and the air pollution. It refers to the rising air and ocean temperatures around the world. This temperature rise is at least partially caused by an increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases trap heat energy in the Earth's atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gases that have the biggest effect on the global warming. Carbon dioxide is emitted into the atmosphere by burning fossil fuel. Humans has come to the rely on a fossil fuel to power cars and planes, heat homes and run factories. Doing this thing polluted the air with the carbon dioxide. Other greenhouse gases emitted by natural and artificial sources also include methane, nitrous oxide and fluorinated gases. Methane is a major emission from the coal plant and agricultural process. Nitrous oxide is a common emission from industrial factories, agriculture, and the burning of fossil fuel in the cars. Fluorinated gases such as hydrofluorocarbons are emitted by industry. Fluorinated gases are often used instead of gases such as chlorofluorocarbon or CFC. CFC have been outlawed in many places because they deplete the ozone layers. All those effects can be prevented by any solution. The most effective solution for air pollution is prevention. In the case of outdoor air pollution, people can make conscious decisions to reduce or eliminate personal activities that contribute to the problem. These include altering their driving habits by consolidating driving trips, joining a carpool to work, bicycling, or riding a public transport. To fight both outdoor and indoor pollution, stop smoking or don't start. Preventive measures are important when it comes to the indoor air pollution. Looking for repairing leaks in the pipes and faucets can help to reduce the mold development. Using environmentally friendly cleaners will help to reduce the volatile chemicals released in the air. Vacuum cleaners that use HEPA filters can help by cutting the amount of dust that is produced while vacuuming. One may want to also purchase an air purifier, which can help to reduce indoor pollutant around the home, or hand sanitizer, which can kill a large amount of bacteria in the air and cut the odors. So for conclusion, anybody can take steps to reduce air pollution. Millions of people every day make simple changes in their life to do this. Taking public transportation instead of driving a car or riding a bike instead of traveling in carbon dioxide emitting vehicles are a couple of ways to reduce the air pollution. Avoiding aerosol cans, recycling yard trimmings instead of burning them, and not smoking cigarettes are others.
I know broke is not